Hey, I'm Baldemero. Keeping our workspace clean isn't just about what it looks like. It's actually about safety. Clutter in your workspace can cause trips, falls, all kinds of accidents. With tools and cables out of place, keeping everything in its proper spot protects everybody. Cleanliness or housekeeping means keeping your aisles clear, cleaning up any spills immediately, and putting all your tools away after you use them. For example, if something accidentally falls off your workbench, that could be a hazard to somebody else. Make sure you act quickly, be responsible, and pick up after yourself and eliminate all the risk. It's important to know that small daily habits really make a huge difference. Consistent order and cleanliness protect everybody who shares the workspace. If you come across a situation and you don't know what to do, don't hesitate. Report it to your supervisor. Cleanliness and order aren't the responsibility of just one person. They're everyone's responsibility. When we take care of our space, we take care of everybody that works with us. A clean and organized area is really just a safe area, and safety starts with those small daily habits.